Hey, what's up, Stormx holder? If you doing this one big mistake, absolutely you are in loss. You never take a good profit, my brother. So kindly stop this. What are you doing, my brother? Stormx holder, don't do this mistake. Kindly. I hope my friend Stormx will make you millionaire if you stop this mistake. Let's get started this brand video. Kindly, before I get started this video, I request you to kindly subscribe this channel. Man, make sure to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. Thank you so much for everyone who's subscribing our YouTube channel, my brother. If you could see this time, the chart is available on the screen. This is last 3 days chart, and this chart is completely, my friends, will guide you to upcoming time. There is a chance they will wake up and they will give you a profit or not, my brother. So if you can say, my brother, the arrows is going to be positive. It's meanwhile to upcoming time there is more chances they will give you a very good profit. But you need, my brother, you just only need to do this side work, my brother. So thanks for watching all Stormx holder. I hope, my friend, in upcoming times they will give you very huge profit. Let's see if you can see on the last 1 hour chart what's going on exactly, my friend. They will completely go in the moon, brother. So Stormx holder, please, I have one request for all of you to kindly hold it, don't sell it, and be ready, my friends, for a good profit. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe this channel.